one standing up here. Well, this is a bit of with his wee BDA. Oh, no time to up the ISO, but no ISO.
You give him a whistle.
My owl sound has gone dodgy on me. Not caring at the moment. I think the pups are probably quite far away. Here she goes. Yeah, it looks like they're about to get mobile. Yeah, they are getting mobile now. Heading sort of southwest towards that sandy road. We're still with them, but they're looking like they want to move southwest. So from that road that I'm on, the road that goes to the new number 10, they look like they're wanting to cut southwest through this Mutsibi and come out on that sand road that leads to Forthbridge.
Alright, so if I come Forthbridge, do you think to take that Bolumatau turning as if I'm coming straight number 10 that way, or go right to the green concrete bridge?
No, I think stick. Depends how far are you close to Forthbridge yet.
No, I'm only about 400 meters.
Okay, let me just keep you updated. Let me know when you get to Forthbridge. I'll tell you which way to go.
Copy, thanks very much.
It's just us here as well, so there's no other vehicles on the site, and it's quite cool.
Just one of them,
Is that the injured one?
This is the uninjured one, the one in front of us.
Yeah.
This one looks over, see?
There we go.
You see it from there?
Can't see a thing now.
On the back of that.
Behind there.